Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to request a refund on Whatnot. Now, when your buyer has an issue with their order, you have the ability to handle it directly. And for now, let's dive in. Start on your Whatnot home feed on your computer. Once there, click on your profile image in the upper right side, then click on Seller Hub. Once you click on Seller Hub, you will see a section labeled Tasks. This section right here. The top of the page here, you will find any refund. So simply click on the refund section right here. Next, click the order with status refund requested. If the buyer sent you a message about the refund, you can view it by clicking Buyer Inquiry in the right menu. If you need help from Whatnot support, click Get Help with this order. When you are ready to process or decline the return, click Respond. From here, you can choose to refund the full listing price, refund partially, or send a replacement item. If you choose to refund the full listing price, you can opt to have the buyer ship the item back to you. If you choose to refund partially, you will need to specify how much you would like to refund the buyer. If you choose to send a replacement item, you will need to enter the tracking number and carrier for the new item. If you click other options, you can also choose to decline the refund request. Direct service is all about empowering you to have control over the holistic buyer experience. It is a tool that not only streamlines this resolution process, but also gives you the opportunity to earn buyer loyalty over time. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.